Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to do your technical analysis properly. Now before starting, I want to mention here that this video I'm not going to be showing everything in this video, but all of the technical analysis, how to do your technical analysis in this video. I'm going to show you some of the a few of the things that you need to consider while, before trading in the stock market. Now this if I explain all of the technical analysis, uh, the indicators relating to technical analysis, then this video will become much more lengthy. And so I'm going to make this video short and will show you a few of those important indicators in this video. So let's get started. Now as you see here, now how to do your technical analysis properly. If now as you've uploaded the loaded the chart, pull the candlesticks and put indicators which suits you best. Now to do your technical analysis properly, now as you can see here, this level, let me mark it first. I'm going to make it green. Now you can see here, this is a great area of support level. This one over here, this is a great area of support level. Over here it was resistance, over here it's a great support level, and this one over here is an area of resistance level. Now as you can see here, consider from this chart as well, it's moving up here, down, again up, down, and now again up in a side trend. It's more of a side trend than a downtrend or an uptrend. Now as you can see here, as now this one single bullish candle broke the upper line. Now I won't step out of this trade over here, but I will watch for the next trading day of how it will do. If it opened above here and closed here, then that's a great thing, because it broke this trend line and will move in the upward direction. Now the second trend line I'm going to be placing a resistance level is over here. If it reached over here and again broke it, then it would be a great entry point. If it broke this trend line and came down, confirmed its uptrend and moved in the up and down, this would be a great entry position. Well, this one as well, because this one as well will be a great entry position if it moved in an uptrend. Now these are the trend lines that I would consider in the before trading, this support and resistance level. Another thing you can use over here is the price, where I've purchased somewhere here. So you can also use this as well. It helps you from wasting your time on calculating everything. It does all of the work for you to show you of where the market is heading, like how much profit it gives you. Now this is also a useful indicator to show you where the market is heading. Now if I consider this one, you can adjust this accordingly of how much you like, how much you want to set for it. Another thing there is, where it is, the Fibonacci retracement over here. Yeah, this is also a great tool that you can use. This is also a great tool that you can use to show you of where the pullback might occur. Now this was a move in a downtrend. Now as you can see, so I've pulled this chart up. Now as you can see here, how much is it? 58, no, how much? 61% retracement level. So if it broke this line, went up and touched over here and then came down, then I'm going to sell my short my position. The same is for this over here. Now if it broke this trend line, then it's a great thing, because it will move in the upward direction, and I'm in the trade. I'm already in the trend and I'm going to profit from it. Maybe it broke this trend line over here and move upward. This can also happen. Now this tool is used for recognizing of where the initial pullback might occur, to what extent the pullback might be. So this tool is used specifically for that purpose. Now as you can see, as it came down and went up, you can see up to 61 level it moved and then came down. Again it moved to what level it is, 50% retracement level. As you can see, again came down and this time it broke the 50 and now it is close to 61. So we'll have to wait for it to show us where the pullback might occur. Now the candlestick pattern is not the same always. It shows variation. It is not the same. It does not trade the same always. It shows variation. Now as you can see here, it's a strong bullish candlesticks. I will have to wait for it for the next trading day to show me what where the market is actually heading. It would uh, show clearly to me of where the overall market is heading now. So I will definitely wait for that. You can also use RSI for this as well. As some of these tools I've showed to you in the previous video, now the RSI is also showing a strong bullish move. As you can see that it's moving in the upward direction. Now overall this trend was a side trend, no sorry, an uptrend. As you can see here, this is an uptrend moving in the upward direction. Now I'm going to wait for this particular trade to show me of where the overall market is heading. Now if it moved in the upward direction, now it's a great news because I'm in the trade and I'm going to profit from it. So these are some of the things that you need to consider before trading in a stock market. It's for both the long term user and the short term. And the day trader, that's another topic that should be discussed. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.